Schulte, sag Dankeschön. Dankeschön.
Well, I went to the river, but the current couldn't carry me. I went to my preacher, but my soul couldn't be redeemed. So I loaded up my pistol, but the firing pin was a dud. Too much a coward for razors.
So today we're gonna dive into some wood. Let's go check it out. Sorry guys.
Well, I went to the river, but the current couldn't carry me. I went to my preacher, but my soul couldn't be redeemed. So I loaded up my pistol, but the firing pin was a dud. Too much a coward for razors. I can't stand the sight of blood. So swing low, sweet chariot. Swing low, come on and take me home. Well, I'm a killer, baby. I didn't get caught, so I can't hang. I'm the kind of crazy you need a straight jacket to contain. So go and get your rifle load, put a bullet right through my brain. Lay me down easy, I promise I won't feel a thing. So swing low, sweet chariot. Swing low, come on and take me home. Swing low, sweet chariot. Swing low, come on and take me home. Well, I looked over Jordan and what did I see? Coming for to carry me home.
Alles, alle.
Angels coming after me, coming for to carry me home.
Leer.
Well, if you get there before I
Noch ein.
coming for to
Ja.
carry me home. Tell all my friends I'm
Fertig.
coming to,
Fertig.
coming for to carry me home. So swing low, the sweet chariot. Swing low, come on and take me home. Swing low, the sweet chariot. Swing low, come on and take me home.
Schulte, wofür ist das denn? Das ist Einstreu für die Karnigel und Hühner. Demnächst. Super. But first thing we'll do, gonna prune a little tree that we have planted a couple of years ago.
and it needs to be pruned. See, pruning takes time. Where do I park you now? Well, here for the moment. So task for today, we're gonna build another one of these. Will be a raised bed, a raised garden, at least on this side of the garden, and on this side in maybe 2 or 3 years we're gonna dig it over and make a complete field out of it. But this one I would like to have as raised garden beds. So I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. Just put you over there, can have a look around. There's something interesting happening. I'll take you closer. Okay? Okay.
Right around 8, we can drive out, hanging with the night out. We can hide out, rocking to the rhythm of our own sound. Make a pit stop, just a second at the quick stop. Grab a top back, 12 pack, whatever we need to kick back. Head down to the creek on where the party's at. And hey y'all, what do you say y'all? Rise up for the southern sound. Drink up, this night's burning down. And hey y'all, what do you say, y'all? We're about to get this thing started. Light up, it's a bonfire party. Whoa. Light up, it's a bonfire party. Yo. Light up, it's a bonfire party. Lay back, feeling those flames leaning way back. Ain't playing no games, watching sparks fly to the night sky. There ain't no match for your eyes. You take me higher, yeah, let's get higher. Hey y'all, what do you say y'all? Rise up for the southern sound. Drink up, this night's burning down. And hey y'all, what do you say y'all? We're about to get this thing started. Light up, it's a bonfire party, yo. Light up, it's a bonfire party, yo. Light up, it's a bonfire party. I feel the sun is rising right here with you. Come on and pass it around. It's what we do. Whoa. Light up, it's a bonfire party. Whoa. Light up, it's a bonfire party. Hey y'all, what do you say y'all? Rise up for the southern sound. Drink up, this night's burning down. And hey y'all, what do you say, y'all? We're about to get this thing started. Light up, it's a bonfire party. Whoa. Light up, it's a bonfire party. Whoa. Light up, it's a bonfire party. Whoa. Light up, it's a bonfire party. Oh, light up, it's a bonfire party.
There you go. That's it. That's how we do some kind of bit around here. So I have the barrel size thingies that were given to me, or given to us as a donation. It came from a construction site. Air vents, I think it was. And then yeah, as you saw, just take out the good soil, make it plain, make it even. Oh yeah, I didn't put any net down against mice. I'll hope it works, because in the end what we're gonna do is I'll drill a couple of holes all around, so maybe 4 or 6, and then put a good rope through, or a chain, so we can lift the whole thing up after 4 or 5 years, and then the soil, everything that has rotten down, will be left here, and then I'll move these things to another place, or whatever. So that's how we build up soil. I said a lot of sawdust on the ground. Oh, you can hear that one? They're felling trees over there. Yeah. So what was I? Yeah, sawdust. So I've put a lot of sawdust down. Some of the sawdust, as you see, is already quite dark. It's been outside for a couple of years, so it's already rotting down. But then we have some fresh stuff as well. There's some wood chips in there, but mostly it's sawdust. And then the old sawdust over there. So what will happen now? I know that when wood is decomposing, you will have a nitrogen deficiency in the ground. So I've worked against that one, because I've put out in the fall some nitrogen in the form of cow horns and cow toes. Believe it or not, you can buy them. They're shredded, very fine pieces, and then I've put them down on the ground, and they will rot down now in the next 4 or 5 years, and will release the fixed nitrogen into the ground, which is then counterbalancing the deficiency that we'll have from the rotting wood. So good, that's it for today. I'm gonna stop and take off and finish the day. Still have to cook, still have to do a couple of other things, so I'll finish the garden work for today.